they certified that everyone who's in detention as a result of entering the US without inspection and not being eligible for bond is now eligible to apply for bond. Hey guys, so big news for mandatory detention. On November 26th, the district court in California certified a bond eligible class. Basically what that means is they certified that everyone who's in detention as a result of entering the US without inspection and not being eligible for bond is now eligible to apply for bond, because they are now a class as a part of a class action lawsuit, which is really the only way now to get a nationwide injunction or nationwide policy out of courts after recent Supreme Court rulings. So what this means in summary is that the Trump administration's position that if you entered without inspection, you're subject to mandatory detention and an immigration judge is not able to grant you bond is not true. A court straight up said that this is not how the Immigration and Nationality Act applies. Immigration judges must determine whether someone is eligible for bond. They're not just automatically subject to mandatory detention because they entered the US without inspection. So this kind of sent immigration law firms who focus on detained cases into a frenzy, because all of a sudden, like hundreds of thousands of people who are not eligible for bond are now all of a sudden eligible for bond. So there's probably gonna be some backlogs in these bond cases so that, immigrants can get released and fight their cases in the non-detained immigration dockets. This is definitely a major setback to the Trump administration, and this is a major win for immigration rights advocates. For those of you who don't know, my office does not handle bond cases, so this is just an informational video, not at all for advertising purposes. But if you do need assistance with family-based immigration, like green cards for spouses, children, parents, or naturalization, or assistance with immigration court proceedings, you can reach out to me, Pouyan Darian. I'm an immigration attorney handling immigration cases nationwide. My information to schedule a consultation is in the video description below. And if you want to stay up to date on recent changes to immigration policy under the Trump administration, be sure to subscribe. As soon as I learn about new changes, I'll create a video to keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys next time for another video.